Okay, we're talking about the goal and reflection log. Once you get your goal and reflection log, go ahead and put your name on it somewhere on here, nice and big, in marker or pen, so that you don't lose it. This is going to stay in your first block class. When you open it up, let's take a look and see what's in here. At the top, you have your Pride matrix. Again, we have the parts of Pride, and we have the areas within the school that we've gone over, and these are also in our PBIS videos. Below that, you have your attendance goal setting. So in here we have the months, as well as what classifies good attendance, what is attendance that's almost there, or your attendance needs improvement. So for example, in January, if you have 5 days or less, you have good attendance for the year. If you have 6 to 9 days gone, you're almost there. And if you have 10 or more days, you need improvement on your attendance. These two areas, again, the Pride matrix, as well as this, you're going to reference. So now we're going to flip into January, and you're going to notice at the top you have, again, the parts of Pride. You have little notes here. You have leadership, again, more parts of Pride. You have the vision for, or the goal for the month here. And now we have January. We're coming back, or you've already started, because this would be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Fridays, every Friday, you're going to be pulling this out in your first block class, and you're going to reflect, and you're going to set a goal. So since we're just starting this, your first goal is going to be right here. You're going to set a goal for the week this Friday. So for Pride goal. So let's say you've gotten a few refocuses as you think back to the year. Maybe your goal is not to have any refocuses, or maybe you're trying to be a self-manager, or maybe you're trying to work on blurting out, or whatever that might be. That's where you're going to set up your goal. It needs to be short. There's not a lot of room in here for a lot of information. You also have an attendance goal. So what's it going to take to get you here on time? Do you need to set 2 alarm clocks? Do you need to go to bed early? And what's your goal? How many days are you going to be gone? The goal, obviously, is to be here as many days as possible. There's a big difference between big sick and little sick. Then, after you set that goal, this Friday, then next week, you'll go through the 8th through the 12th, and on next Friday, we're going to reflect on it. We're going to say, how did we do on our Pride goal? How did we do on our attendance goal? And after you reflect on it, you're going to set a new goal for the following week. So once we get used to this, you're going to always be setting a reflection and a goal to see how you did. And that's basically it for the Pride and Reflection log. Now down here we have an academic goal for the month. So you're also going to set the first month, which would be this Friday. What's your academic goal? Are you having trouble in language arts? Are you having trouble in math or science? How will you accomplish your goal? Are you going to get some more help from your teacher? Are you going to bring some paperwork home? Or are you going to ask for help? What's that going to be? And then reflection at the end of the month. Did I reach my goal? Why or why not? Did I make my academic goal? So again, this is what we're going to be using every single Friday. We're going to set a goal, and we're also going to reflect on it. But again, for this first Friday, we're only going to be setting a goal. Next Friday, we will reflect on that goal, and we will set a new goal. All right, that is your goal and reflection log. Again, make sure to put your name on this.